your boy A, going side to side. That's how I ride, man, I'm about to blow. Here with your hoe, yeah, she about to give me a blow. She sipping on the drink, yeah, that's why I have her. I might fuck the bitch, but I might let her go. I like letting her go, cause hoes come and go. Now I'm just playing, but I'ma wreck this flow. Here with that girl V, yeah, we gonna wreck the MIC. Can't you fucking see? We smoking some green. Don't give a fuck, so we sipping some Supreme. Now I'm just playing, but I don't give a fuck. You might be talking shit, but you gon' get fucked up. Might one day you gon' see me doing what I fucking do, and you gon' wish you was me. Hopping on the seat, don't give a fuck. I'm hopping off the road, nigga, that's why I pop drunk. Now I'm just playing, my drums go so loud. Now I'ma hit my truck on the ground. Now I'm just playing, but I don't give a fuck. You might be a hater, but you fit to get fucked up with the left, with the right, going shit side to side. I don't give a damn, cause fucking with me is suicide. Now I'm just playing, but nigga, that's how I ride. I'ma hit this flow till this track is fucking done. You might call me Mo City Done, cause that's what I said. Don't give a fuck, cause I ain't a fucking cunt. Now I'm just playing, but I'm about to blow some songs. I'ma chuck a deuce with all the fucking bitches.